Hello students. Last class I have explained addition, subtraction and multiplication, division. Now next topic of conversion of units. Means we have to convert in length. We are measuring length in meter, centimeter and decimeter, hectometer and kilometer. So just you see here mm, cm. mm means millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. How will convert? If question is given sometimes in millimeter, we have to convert into decimal in decimeter or centimeter or meter. So just you see here, from this side to this side, if you will go for this side to this side, means one step, means millimeter to centimeter, then we have to divide by 10. If one step, we will go for one step. If from centimeter to decimeter, then we have to divide by again 10. Or decimeter to meter, then again divide by 10. Okay. Now meter to decameter, again divide by 10. And decameter to hectometer, again divide by 10. And then hectometer to kilometer, divide by 10. Like that. If we will go for direct millimeter to meter, then by which number we have to divide? Just you see how many gap are there? 1, 2, 3. So we have to divide by 1000. And if you want to go for millimeter to direct decameter, then divide by 10,000. Or you can go for millimeter to direct kilometer, then by which number you have to divide? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means you have to divide by 10 lakhs, or you can say 16 zeros. Now just we want to convert from this side to this side, means kilometer to hectometer, then multiply by 10. Again hectometer to decameter, multiply by 10. And then decameter to meter, multiply by 10. Then meter to decimeter, multiply by 10. Then decimeter to centimeter, multiply by 10. Centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10. And if you want to go for next direct, means kilometer to direct meter, so we have to multiply by 1000, because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Or you want to go for direct kilometer to decimeter, then we have to multiply by 10,000. Okay, direct this type of process you have to do. Now I will take some example based on this. Same process you have to apply in kilogram also, means gram means mass. Just again same thing I will write here also. mg means milligram, centigram cg, decigram dg and gram g, decagram decagram, then hg means hectogram, then kilogram kg. Okay, again same process. If you want to go from this side to this side, means divide by 10, means milligram to centigram, then divide by 10, centigram to decigram, divide by 10, and then decigram to gram, divide by 10, again gram to decagram, divide by 10, then decagram to hectogram, divide by 10, hectogram to kilogram, divide by 10. Same process, just here in place of meter, here gram came, but that's it. Now we have to, this one is kg. When we want to go from this side to this side, means this one is bigger unit and this one is smaller unit. From bigger to smaller, then we have to multiply by 10 if one gap is there. Means from kg to hectogram, then we have to multiply by 10. Hectogram to decagram, multiply by 10. Then decagram to gram, we have to multiply by 10. Gram to decigram, then multiply by 10. And then decigram to centigram, multiply by 10. Centigram to milligram, multiply by 10. You have to follow same, both are same process, but in this we have to use in measurements for length and in this measurement of mass, means whatever we are weight, we are taking weight or anything. Then next I will take some example based on this same thing. How will convert any smaller unit to bigger unit or bigger unit to a smaller unit? We will go from smaller to bigger, then divide by 10, we will divide, or from a bigger to a smaller, then we have to multiply. Now just I will write here, convert the following. Convert the following. First one, a 4 meter into centimeter. Second, 9.3 centimeter into millimeter, means mm. C, 10.26 decimeter into decameter. B, 4.7 kilometer into meter. Okay, just you see, means we have to convert meter into centimeter. Means if you will write down same thing here, you can write down, means millimeter, and this one is centimeter, and then decimeter, meter, and then decameter, hectometer, and then kilometer. Now just you see here, we want to go from meter to centimeter, means from this side to this side. Just you see here, how many gap are there in between? 1, 2, and then 3. Means sorry, we have to convert into centimeter only. Just you 2 means, or you can remember 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, because 10 and again 10 means 10 times 100. So we will multiply by 100 here, means 4 into 100, then it will become 400 centimeter answer. Okay, next one, this one is centimeter, we want to convert into millimeter, means from this side to this side, again we have to multiply by 10, one gap only is there, so we have to multiply by 10, 9.3 into 10, answer will be 93 millimeter, mm. Okay, next one is decimeter is given, and we want to go for decameter, means from this side to this side, so we have to divide here, because this one is a smaller unit and this one is bigger unit. From smaller to bigger we will go, then we have to divide in this case. So we will divide by again 100, because 2 gap are there. So divide by 100, then this point will sit here, means 0.1026 decameter, DAM. Okay, next one, this one is kilometer, we want to convert into meter, so we have to multiply by 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so we have to multiply by 1000 here, means 4.7 into 1000, then you will write down here 470030 will come, and then after decimal will come after 1 digit, just you put here point, then it will come 4700 meter. Okay, so this one is kilometer, I have converted into meter, same. Now next I will take some example on the based on the weight, means that is gram, kilogram or milligrams, like this. Okay, same process you will follow in that also, but there is, this one is length and that will be mass, we will measurement for mass. So next, second question, convert the following. First one, 2.3 gram into centigram in Cg. So how will convert? This one is gram and this one is centigram, means this one is bigger unit and this one is a smaller unit. So we will, from bigger to a smaller we will go, then we have to multiply. So how will multiply? Just you see here gap, if you will remember, means milligram, centigram, decigram, and then gram here. So just you see here gram and this one is centigram. So from this side to this side we will come, means from this side. So 2 gap are there, means then we have to multiply by 10. Again 10, here also 10 means 100 will come. Just you can remember here 1 gram is equal to 100 centigram Cg. Then we have to multiply by 2.3 into 100. So how much will come? 2300, and then decimal will come after 1 digit, means point will come here, means final answer is 230 gram. Okay. Next I will take next example. Second question means 4.378 hectogram means Hg convert into centigram. Again this one is bigger unit Hg and this one is smaller unit. So just you see here how many gap are there: millimeter, milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, and then hectogram Hg. And from Hg we have to means hectogram to convert into centigram. So just you see here 1 gap, 2 and 3, 4 gap are there, means we have to multiply by 10,000, means 4.378 into 10,000. Then means 4 zeros are there, so we have to put here 4 zeros. 4.43780000. Then you have to put point, means after 3 digit point will come 1, 2, 3. Then point will come here. So final answer is 43780 centigram. Okay. Next, reverse process. I will take some for this one. All are we have taken for multiplication from bigger to smaller. Now I will take smaller to bigger. Then it will change the process, that is divide process will. So third one is just you convert 2 milligram into decigram dg. Convert milligram to decigram means milligram, centigram, decigram. Means we will from this side to this side we will go. That is 2 gap are there, means we have to divide by 10. Then so combined we will divide by 100, means 2 divided by 100. So just you see it, we will not divide the process directly, we can answer. 2 zeros are there, means 1 has 2 zeros, so decimal will come after 2 digits, means 2 0 point, means 0.2 decigram. Final answer is. Next, third one, fourth one here 475 gram we want to convert into kilogram, means kg. Means gram is given, we have to convert into kg, means just remember 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so we will divide by 1000 here, means 475 divided by 1000. Then just you see here 3 digits are there, 3 zeros are there, then decimal will come after 3 digits, means 475 1 2 3 point will come here, then just you put what 1 zeros. So final answer is 0.475 kg. Okay, so see these are the process to convert the any unit to other unit in the exercise question. Okay, that's all.